If you're on Twitter or X and you see the sensitive content warning and it's not allowing you to see certain content or a tweet, I'll show you exactly how to remove that sensitive content warning to be able to see any content on Twitter. Now, it looks sort of like this. It says content warning, sensitive content. The tweet author flagged this tweet as showing sensitive content. You might see the show button there, and you can just tap on that to reveal that item. However, if you're not seeing that, unfortunately, we can't do it in the X or Twitter app. We need to open up a web browser. And from that web browser, we're going to go to x.com. And from here, make sure to not get the app or open in the app, but just tap on sign in. Now I'm going to sign into my X/Twitter account here real quick, and I'll show you where to change that setting. So let me just enter in to autofill, and I'll just use my password to autofill. So I'm going to autofill that password. There we go, and hit continue to log in. Now, after you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see the settings in here are a little different. So tap on your profile at the top left, scroll down from here and tap on settings and privacy. From here, all you need to do is go to privacy and safety, and then we're going to choose content you see. There are two things you can see on here that we need to change. It says display media that may contain sensitive content. So if that is unchecked, all you need to do is select that. However, that's not the only thing. Tap on search settings here. And if this is set to hide sensitive content within the search, all you need to do is uncheck this to be able to see all of that content directly in the X app. After you've done that, I would highly recommend just closing out of the X or Twitter app and then just open it back up again. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.